Okay. So next question is, what will be the value of x? Okay. Now it is given that two mirrors are inclined at an angle of 40 degree. Two mirrors are inclined at an angle of 40 degree. This is the angle 40 degree, and a ray of light falls on it like this. Yes, and the ray of light, reflected ray, incident on the second mirror perpendicularly and retraces its path. Then what will be the value of x? समझ में आया बेटा क्वेश्चन?
यस सर।
यस, ये 40 डिग्री है, आपको बताना है बेटा x की वैल्यू क्या होगी। चलिए बताइए, सॉल्व कीजिए इसको। Okay, so answer will be 50 degree. And how it comes? Let's see the solution. Suppose this point is A and this point is B and this point is C. देखिए, तो यहाँ पर बेटा जो रे ऑफ लाइट है वो फॉल हो रही है नॉर्मली मीन्स टू से 90 डिग्री होगा बेटा। Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So we can say in triangle ABC, we can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to
180 degree.
180. Very good. So angle A plus 90 plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. Now we can say that angle A is 180 minus 130, which is equal to angle A, which is 50 degree. Yes or no, beta?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we can the angle is 50 degree here. Okay. Now the angle made by the reflected ray with the mirror is called glance angle of incidence. Yes,
Yes
or no?
sir, and they are both equal.
They are both
Yes, sir.
equal. So here this angle is the angle of reflection and this angle is angle of incidence. So we can write here angle of reflection plus 50 degree is equal to 90 degree. So angle of reflection will be equal to 40 degree.
Yes sir.
Yes or no? Now we can say that angle of incidence will also be equal to 40 degree. Yes. Now we can write
Yes sir.
that angle x plus angle of incidence is equal to 90 degree. Now we can write at angle x is equal to 90 minus 40, which is equal to 50 degree.
Yes sir.
Yes or no? We can also directly mention that glance angle of incidence is equal to glance angle of reflection. So after solving this, after getting this angle, you can say that the glance angle of incidence is equal to the glance angle of reflection. So the angle x will be equal to 50 degrees. Yes or no, beta?
Yes sir.
Yes, we can note it down. Okay, let's start the next image formation. Image formation by plane mirror. By plane mirror. So first of all, we have to know about the image. What is the image? How we define the image? Anyone? How we define the image?
Image is a reflection of a body.
Image is not the reflection of a body. Anyone? Anyone बेटा? चलिए देखिए हमारे पास में क्या होगा बेटा, इमेज किसी भी रिफ्लेक्टेड रे जो होगी वो जहां पर इंटरसेक्ट करेगी बेटा, उस पॉइंट पर जो इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट होता है उसको बोला जाता है क्या, इमेज। ओके, तो हम सिंपली ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, एन इमेज is a point where the rays of light converge actually and appears to diverge मीन्स टू से क्या होगा कि जब भी रेज ऑफ लाइट क्या होगी बेटा, आपस में या तो कन्वर्ज होनी चाहिए या फिर क्या होनी चाहिए बेटा, डाइवर्ज होनी चाहिए, है ना। देखिए, या तो रेज ऑफ लाइट कैसी होनी चाहिए, डाइवर्ज होगी किसी एक पॉइंट पर। Okay, an image is a point where the rays of light converge actually or appears to diverge after the reflection. And we have two types of the images, two types of
Real and virtual images.
images. First one is real image, and second one is virtual image.
Virtual.
Virtual image. And how we define the real image and virtual image? Real
The
image.
real images which
Sir,
can
when the rays
appear
of
on the
light
screen.
actually meet at a point, then real image is formed. And when the rays reflected ray appear to meet at a point, then it is called virtual image.
Yes. So what we say, when the rays of light, when the rays of light converge actually after the reflection, then the image formed is real. And what we have for virtual image, when the rays of light, when the
After reflection appear to meet.
appears to
They meet
appears,
back of the mirror.
appears to diverge, rays of
But
light
virtually meets the back of the mirror.
appears to diverge after the reflection, then the image formed is virtual. Yes or no, beta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what we have after the reflection means to say when the reflected rays converges actually. So if I draw the reflected rays, suppose these are the reflected rays and the rays of light are converging at a point. Yes or no? Converging का मतलब क्या होगा बेटा, किसी एक पॉइंट पर वो इंटरसेक्ट करेगी। तो यहाँ पर जो इमेज फॉर्म होगी बेटा वो कैसी होगी, रियल। एंड द रेज ऑफ लाइट appears to diverge, मतलब किसी एक पॉइंट पर वो मिलेंगी कभी नहीं। ऐसा लगेगा कि रेज ऑफ लाइट कहीं से आ रही है, और जहां से आ रही है वो क्या होगा बेटा, एक इमेजिनरी पॉइंट होगा जो हमें कभी दिखाई नहीं देगा। तो उसे क्या बोला जाएगा बेटा, this is the point and the rays of light are appears to diverge, मतलब रेज ऑफ लाइट ऐसे दिखाई देगी कि वहां से रेज ऑफ लाइट आ रही है, बट वो रेज ऑफ लाइट एक्चुअल में वहीं से आ रही है, ये ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है। तो इसे क्या बोल जाएगा, यहाँ पर जो इमेज फॉर्म होगी बेटा वो कौन सी होगी बताओ,
Virtual.
Virtual image.
वर्चुअल इमेज होगी, है ना, वर्चुअल इमेज होगी। तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हेन द रेज ऑफ लाइट converge actually, then it will form a real image, and the rays of light is not converging but appears to diverge, then the image is formed is real. Yes or no? And what are the special qualities of the images? Real image
Cannot be
can,
obtained on screen, sir.
real image
It can be
can be
obtained on
obtained,
Can be, okay.
can be obtained on the screen, and it is always inverted. It is always inverted. And for the virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen, and it is always erect, or we can say upright. ओके बेटा, अपराइट का मीनिंग क्या होगा? सीधी खड़ी होगी, इरेक्ट का मतलब या फिर सीधी इमेज हमारे पास फॉर्म होगी, उसे बोला जाता है क्या बेटा? वर्चुअल इमेज। ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट। इमेज formation rule, image formation rule. Always remember that the image formation rule, which is applicable for the plane mirror as well as the spherical mirror. Okay, so first rule, we require minimum 2 rays of light to form an image. Yes or no, beta? First of all, remember that we always require minimum 2 rays of light to form an image. And second, always follow the laws of reflection. Always follow the laws of reflection. Okay. Okay. The first formation of image of a point object. Formation image of a point object. Point object means to say the size of the object is like a point. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what we can have, suppose this is the one second. Suppose this is the plane mirror. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is a plane mirror. थोड़ा सा ये टेढ़ा हो गया, आई थिंक इसको थोड़ा सीधा बनाना होगा. हाँ, अब देखिए सब ठीक है. This is the plane mirror and a point object is placed in front of this mirror. So suppose there is a point, this is the point object O, okay, and I want to draw the image of that point due to the mirror M dash. Yes or no, beta? Yes. And according
Yes.
to image formation rule, we require minimum 2 rays of light to form the image of any object. Okay. Then remember, always take a ray of light which falls perpendicularly on the plane mirror. So first ray, take the ray of light which falls normal on the mirror. Yes or no, beta? And we know the ray which falls normally on the mirror will retrace its path.
Yes.
Yes or no? So we can say that there is a reflected ray and direction of the reflected ray like this, as shown in here. Yes or no? First
Yes.
reflected ray and the second reflected ray we can take from anywhere. You can take, so suppose I am taking the second ray here like this. This is the incident ray. Always mention the arrow in the incident ray towards the mirror and in the reflected ray away from the mirror. Okay. Then next, draw the normal. This is the normal. So this will be the angle of incidence. Yes or no, beta? This will be the
Yes, sir.
angle of incidence.
Yes.
Then we know the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So draw an angle which is equivalent to angle of incidence and the ray will be like this.
Yes.
Yes or no, beta?
Yes.
Yes or no? And mention the arrow that it is a reflected ray. Yes or no? So we can see this is the second reflected ray and this is first reflected ray. So you can see that the direction of reflected rays like this. So at the left part of the mirror, the rays of light will never converge. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Rays of light will never converge. So we extend the rays of light in backward. So when we extend the rays of light in backward like this. Yes or no, beta? This is the first ray and the second ray is extended in backward will be like this.
Get a point.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what we see that the rays of light are intersecting at a point and that point will be the image. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
Because and we can see if you are standing over here, then you can see that this reflected ray is coming out from this point. Yes or no? Like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and if you are standing over here, then you can see that the ray of reflected ray is coming out from this point. Yes or no, beta?
From which?
Yes. So if you see, you can see that the rays of light are diverging from this point. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, it is actually diverging or appears to diverge. Tell me, the rays of light actually diverging or appears to diverge?
Sir, actually diverse.
appear हो रहा है बेटा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर देखो रेज ऑफ लाइट जो होंगी, रेज ऑफ लाइट बेटा मिरर पे स्ट्राइक करने के बाद में रिफ्लेक्ट हो गई, मतलब रेज ऑफ लाइट वहां तक तो गई नहीं ना बेटा पॉइंट पर, तो इसका मतलब रेज ऑफ लाइट वहां से तो रिफ्लेक्ट हो नहीं सकती, तो वहां से डाइवर्ज होना पॉसिबल है ही नहीं. सो बेसिकली द रेज ऑफ लाइट हियर, द रेज ऑफ लाइट appearing to diverge. Yes or no, beta? Yes, the rays of light appearing to diverge. So we can say, what we can say that the nature of the image, is virtual and erect. Yes or no, beta? And what we can say next? That
Point size.
the
Size
image
of the image. Point And size.
image is same as the size of object.
Yes,
Size of,
So distance should be equal.
yes. So next we can say that the distance of image from mirror is equal to the distance of object from the mirror. Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
From the mirror. Okay, and what we can say next? The image cannot be obtained on the screen. Obtained on the screen. Yes or no, madam? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. चलिए बेटा इसको draw